Hey sparkle lovers, welcome back to my channel. I'm really feeling all the beautiful spring vibes going on lately. I'm loving all the cute bunnies and the pretty flowers, so I thought I'd do a super cute, super adorable, super sparkly, spring inspired makeup tutorial. I'm going to be starting with my Bourjois Healthy Mix foundation in the colour light beige. Just going to pop it on the back of my hand. And I'm dotting it all over my face. This foundation is brilliant because it gives a really good coverage and it's so soft and lightweight on the skin, so you can keep it on all day for when you're wearing your makeup to school or work or wherever you want to wear this look to. So I'm just going to dot it all over my face, and I'm going to take my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush to buff that in. This brush is perfect because it gives a really good even coverage and spreads the product evenly over the skin. So I'm just buffing this in like so. And that's all finished. Got a nice even coverage. So next I'm going to go with my concealer. So I'm using the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer in the colour Cool Medium. And I'm going to pop this under my eyes. But I also like to pop this on any blemishes or spots that I have, just to cover them up because we want them to be completely gone for this look. And I'm also going to pop it around my nose and down the bridge of my nose, just to give a bit of highlight. And I'm going to take my Real Techniques setting brush and just buff that in. However, for blending it in under my eye, I'm going to use my finger because it's a delicate area, so you don't want to go in with a harder brush. So I'm just dabbing that in, making sure to get rid of any dark circles. This is perfect if you're prone to dark circles under your eyes. This concealer is brilliant. So now that's done, I'm going to move on to my eyes. I'm going to be using my Naked 3 Urban Decay palette and my Maybelline Blush Nudes palettes. Both of these palettes are so lovely. They have really lovely sparkly springtime colours, and as you know, I'm a fan of the sparkly colours. So I'm going to be starting with Strange from the Naked 3, and I'm going to use my number 7 eye contour brush. And we're going to be using this colour as a base, so we want it to be completely spread evenly over the eyelid. You want to gently sweep it on. So that's the base done, and now we're going to be using a colour from the Blush Nudes palette. They don't have names, so I'm just going to have to point to them. So I'm going to use this colour here because it's a really nice sparkly colour, and I'm just going to pop that using my Real Techniques shading brush. I'm just going to pop that on the inner corners of my eye, because it just really highlights the eye and gives a really cute sparkle, which is perfect for this look because we want a really sparkly springtime look. So once that's done, we're going to take the number 7 brush again and go back to the Naked 3 palette, and we're going to take the colour Limit and use that to contour the eye. This is a really simple yet effective technique because it takes a lighter colour and then uses a slightly darker version just to contour. Taking it round the corner of the eye and just making sure to give the eye some more depth. Now that's done, I'm going to be carrying on with this palette, and I'm going to take the colour Buzz, which is a really nice pink sparkly. I'm going to go back to the Real Techniques brush. I'm just going to pop that round there, round where you've done the contour, just to add it a bit of springtime happiness. Just gives the eye a really nice depth. And obviously that's a bit of glitter. Because this is a Rachel look, we want lots of glitter. So now I'm going to go back to my number 7 brush, and I'm going to use this colour in the Maybelline Blush Nudes. It's a slightly darker version of Buzz, and it's a little bit glitterier, so I just want to add that round because it just gives it that shine that we all crave in a Rachel look. Just concentrating more on around the outside of the eye. Now that's all done, I'm going to take my Zoeva Luxe Soft Crease and I'm going to blend that all in, so then you don't have any harsh lines, so it's completely all blended in. Perfect. Now my eyeshadow is all done, I'm going to be moving on to mascara. For this look we want my lashes to look super angelic and winged, so I'm going to use the Maybelline Rocket Volume mascara. This mascara is amazing, I've been using it for years and I swear by it. So just popping that on the lashes. Making sure it's not too clumpy. That's what I love about this mascara. It doesn't make your lashes go clumpy at all. It makes them look really long and winged. Perfect. That's exactly what we want for this look. Look how winged my lashes look in the corners, and that's exactly what we want. Now I'm just going to pop a little bit on the bottom lashes. Just because that opens the eyes a little bit more. Lovely. Now that the eyes are all done, I'm going to move on to powder, and I'm going to use the L'Oreal True Match powder, and I'm going to be patting that all over my face using my Real Techniques blush brush. This just completely sets the makeup, sets the foundation and concealer we did earlier, and also mutes any imperfections or blemishes that we might have. I'm going to pop it down my neck as well, because obviously we want the colour to match. Perfect, now I'm going to move on to blusher. I'm going to use the Rimmel London Blusher in the colour Live Pink. And I'm going to use the Zoeva Luxe Sheer Cheek Brush. I'm just going to take a little bit on the end, pop it on the apples of my cheeks. This colour is such a Rachel colour. It is pink and glittery. It's just what you want in a blush. Because this is quite a harsh colour, I like to blend this in a little bit. So I'm going to take both my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush and my blush brush. I just like to blend that a little bit into the skin so it's not so harsh. Now, because we want this look to be super shiny, because it's a springtime look, I'm going to use some highlighter. I'm going to use my NYX Strobe of Genius Holographic stick. This is new and I absolutely love it. I'm just going to pop it on the tops of my cheekbones. And blend that in with my finger. It just gives the look that shine and glitter that we really want. I'm also going to pop a little bit on the tip of my nose, just because it really then makes the nose stand out. Perfect. Now that is the skin and the eyes all done, so last we're going to move on to the lips. I like to leave the lips to last because it's normally what I change my mind about the most, so it's the easiest to change. I'm going to be using the Bourjois Rouge Edition Velvet in the colour Dope Pink of it, and this is a matte lipstick. Popping this on my lips to fill them in. The matte lipstick is a real contrast with the very glittery eyes. I think this colour is just perfect, perfect spring look. And And that is my spring makeup look all done. I think it's beautiful, it's super sparkly, super fun, and I've absolutely loved making this tutorial. I love playing around with glitter and colourful eyeshadows, and I hope you all enjoyed it as much as I did. Remember, if you do have any suggestions of what products I should try next, be sure to leave your recommendations in the comments below. Anyway, bye bye for now, sparkle lovers, and remember, don't let anyone dull your sparkle.